Okay, bit of previsualization, which is sticking an image on a book cover. We've got a lot of these to do. We can kind of set this up in advance, and then we've got a system for swapping out book covers quickly. Let me show how we go about this. Let's just bin this layer using the rectangle tool, set to black with a probably doesn't need a stroke. We could do no stroke, and we'll just drag out a rectangle about that kind of size, and then we're gonna go to where's it gone? Filter, convert to smart filters, and click OK. And now we're gonna go edit, transform, distort, and I'm just going to drag its corners onto the corners of the book. Now I think if we want to make this a really complicated demonstration, we could do this with the perspective tools what we used the other week, but we'll go with this for the time being. Something like that, and click OK. Now, because we converted it into a smart object, if we double click, it opens as a rectangle. So if we go File, Place Embedded, and I'm just looking for a picture. That's bizarre. Oh, let's use. No, we can't use that. There we go. Let's use that picture of a door. Let's drag that on. I've got a sneaking suspicion this picture needs to be this way around. I'm just going to hold Shift to break the constraint and just drag it out to the full size of the rectangle and click OK. Now when we close it and save it, hey presto, we've got the a picture of a door on top of the book, and then we can kind of blend it and overlay or whatever, but you get the idea. But the idea is we can drop in different images very quickly and they'll just fit the book. Thank you for watching.